Hello guys, welcome to the biology class. In this class I'm going to be talking about transport in plant. What do you mean by transport in plant? Just like we have transport in animal, and we've seen the need for transport in animal, so we also have the need for transport in plant, and that's why we are looking at it. Number one need is water must move from the soil to the leaf of the plant, because the leaf is responsible for photosynthesis. For that to happen, water is important, so water must move from the soil. So that's the need for transport system. And you also have mineral salts from the soil to the leaf. Very important, and that is another need for transport. Dissolved minerals that are in the soil, we have to move to the leaf so that the leaf will be able to function properly, photosynthesize and carry on other life processes. So that is also an important need for transportation in plant. Apart from that, organic materials, that's like the manufactured food, we have to move from the point of production, that's in the leaf, to other parts of the plant, so that all the cells in the body of the plant can have the taste of the food that is being manufactured. So those are the needs transport system. Now, what is the medium of transport in plant? The medium of transportation in plant is the lattice or the cell sap. The lattice or the cell sap is the fluid that is found in the large vacuole of plant cell. As you all know, the plant cell have large vacuole, so the fluid that is present in the vacuole is what you call the cell sap. Okay, so let's now talk about, so this is the picture of the cell sap being collected from a tree. Okay, so let's talk about transport in lower plant. Now, in lower plant, like Chlamydomonas, lower plant like Euglena, so these lower plants have a large surface area to volume ratio, and as a result of that, they do not have any specialized transport system or specialized transport organ. So the gases enter and leave the cell through simple diffusion, and that's what you also have in animals. So water enters the cell of the plant by osmosis, while manufactured food and waste products are transported by diffusion. So basically, simple diffusion and osmosis is enough for transport in lower plants, but that is not sufficient in higher plants, because in the case of higher plants, you have a wider range of distance to cover, moving from the materials moving from the leaf to other part of the plant, and also moving from the soil to other parts of the plant. So in flowering plant, the gases are mainly absorbed through the stomata in the leaves and lenticels in the stem. The stomata is present in the leaf, lenticel in the stem, and they help in absorption of gases, while mineral salts and water are absorbed to the root system. Okay, so talking about the structures that serves as transport in flowering plants, they are referred to as vascular bundles, or you call them vascular tissues. You can also call them conducting system or conducting vessels, and they are basically of two types. They consist of the phloem, which is on the outside, and the xylem, which is on the inside. Okay, so basically this is the picture of a dicot stem and a monocot stem. You can see the position of the phloem and the xylem. The phloem on the outside and the xylem on the inside. So talking about the phloem now, it's a complex tissue that is made up of sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem, parenchyma, and phloem fibers. Now, of these various type of phloem, the basic one that is used for conducting manufactured food is the sieve tube. Okay, so that means the major function of the phloem is to transport food that is manufactured. Okay, this is a picture of it, and let's talk about the xylem as the last one now. The xylem is a complex tissue that is made up of the vessels, the xylem, the trachea, the wood parenchyma, and wood fiber. Now, the major function of the xylem is to help in conducting water why the Flume conducts food to the Xylem conduct water. So that's why I'm going to stop in this video, and I will continue from there talking about transpiration and translocation in the next video. Thank you.